It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Today, we are trying out this kit here. It is the Gella, okay? And this is one of those glue gel tip kits from Amazon. So I did show you all this in an Amazon haul that I recently posted. So if you missed it, check that video out, okay? So let's open this up and see what all is inside, okay? So here we have our instructions right in the front, okay? Tell us how to apply them. All right. We get some cute little rhinestones in different colors. This is our tips, okay? And down in the bottom, we have the cord to the lamp. This is the lamp, okay? It should look familiar. And we have our nail glue for nail tips, okay? So this is what we're going to be using today. We're going to jump right in. These are the tips that come in the kit. As you can see, they are longer. So I love that. This is the number 2. And this is how it looks. So I'm going to have some fun with these. This just came in from Amazon. I'm going to be using this to cut the tips. And this is what it looks like. And when you attach this, you can turn it so that you can pick the length that you want. All right, we got Kenya back with us, okay? So this is from the last Gella dupe that we did on her. So we're going to remove this, and then we're going to go in with the Gella kit. If you want to see how I remove nails and my prep, definitely check out my updated removal and prep videos. All right, so I'll see y'all back in a second. Is that too long?
A little bit short, just a little bit.
That's better. I was about to say, wait a minute now. I was about to say, how many fingers you got? I done got confused. So this is the finished look. Okay, using the Gella kit. This is easy. Another kind of Gel X dupe situation that you can do in the comfort of your own home. Very affordable. I believe it was about $20, so you can grab this kit. It does not come with a primer and a dehydrator, so you can get that from somewhere else. But all you got to do is pop them on and paint them, and you are good to go. So let me know in the comments how you feel about the set. If you have any questions about application, let me know. And always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video. Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.